back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to solve one exercise based on type conversion and type casting. I think you people are watching my previous video that's based on type conversions and type casting, right? Okay, now we can solve this problem. Ask a user their weight in pounds, convert it to kilograms and print on the terminal. So this is very simple exercise for you people. Just we are going to use our input function, input, add parenthesis, add quotations, whether you can use double quotes or single quotes, that's left to you people. I will use a single quote here. Okay, weight underscore, you can use don't use underscore here because that's not used here. Just you can use lbs or pounds. Okay, that's not a problem here, whatever you can use. Then we can store it in variable called weight underscore lbs, right? Now we need to convert it to kilograms, so that is the task, right? Now we need to convert this into kilograms, so it's very simple. We can define another variable called weight kg, weight underscore kg, right? Kg, set it to weight underscore lbs. It's so simple. Yeah, if people are analyze the problem, then we can do the activities, right? Now we can, here we use the parenthesis here for this is a input function, right? So we can always use the parenthesis whenever we are going to uh, okay, now we need to multiply by 0.0.45. Why we need to multiply into 0.45? Because 1 kilograms is equal to 0.45 pounds, so that's the reason we can multiply 0.45 here. Okay, now we are going to print here, print double parenthesis. Now we need to print your weight underscore kg, right? Okay, just run our program and see what happens. Just right click, run python. Okay, just wait, our operating system is very slow because we are very poverty peoples. Okay, weights lbs is, my weight is 40, then click enter. Okay, hello, we got an error here. Okay, what is error? We can see type error. We cannot be multiplied sequence by non-hint of the type float. If you are aware about this one or not, as I told before, this input function return a string value, so we cannot be multiplied. We cannot. Here will be there now. See, this is the fault here. We cannot be multiplied a string by float. Python, it will, the Python doesn't know what can do with it. Python doesn't understand this code. So if in this case we should always use int functions or float functions. Okay, we need to convert number by integer here. Okay, we need to convert here by int function, int function or float functions, you can use as your interest. Okay, I will use int function. Okay, now we can run our program. First I will clear the console, clear, clear. Okay, just run our program. Okay, just wait, our operating system is very slow, it will going to print, it will take a few seconds. Okay, here we will asking what is the weight in lbs. I will given 160, then click enter. Okay, it will given the output is 72.0. So this is very simple. These kind of exercises are very simple. You should know the concept, then you can easily code it. Okay, I think video will getting lengthy. I will stop it only. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Take care.